The Philippines is quickly becoming a top destination for expats and digital nomads from all over the world. Whether you're seeking adventure, a slower pace of life, or simply a change of scenery, this vibrant country offers something for everyone. With over 7,000 islands, breathtaking beaches, and a year-round tropical climate, it's easy to see the appeal. From the crystal-clear waters of Palawan to the lively surf towns of Siargao, the natural beauty here is truly unmatched. But it's not just the scenery. Filipinos are famous for their warmth and hospitality, making it easy for newcomers to feel at home. Many expats say the friendly smiles and welcoming attitude of locals are what truly set the Philippines apart. English is widely spoken, so settling in is a breeze. Whether you're navigating daily errands or making new friends, communication is rarely a barrier here. Many expats find themselves staying longer than planned, drawn in by the sense of community and belonging. Social circles are easy to form, and there's a thriving expat network in most major cities. However, moving abroad is a big decision, and it's crucial to look beyond the postcard-perfect views. Adapting to a new culture and way of life takes time and patience. The real key to a successful life here, understanding the true cost of living. It's important to plan ahead and know what to expect financially. While the Philippines can be affordable, your expenses depend on your lifestyle choices. From local markets to high-end malls, there's a wide range of options for every budget. A realistic budget is essential for a smooth transition and a stress-free experience. Careful planning can help you avoid surprises and make the most of your new life abroad. Let's break down what you can expect financially when moving to the Philippines so you can start your journey with confidence and peace of mind. Your biggest expense will likely be accommodation, and it's crucial to understand the range of options available. But there's something for every budget, from high-end luxury condos to more modest apartments. In Metro Manila's business districts, a studio condo starts at around £300, £450 per month, offering a compact yet comfortable living space, while a one-bedroom can go up to £700 or more, especially in prime locations with top-notch amenities. Move to smaller cities like Dumaguete or Iloilo, and you'll find apartments or small houses for as little as £150, £250 per month, making them a more affordable option. Fully furnished condos often include amenities like pools and gyms, which can add significant value to your living experience. But always check if association dues are extra, as these can add to your monthly expenses. In coastal towns, you can rent a simple apartment near the beach for under £170 a month, offering a serene lifestyle at a lower cost. Shared housing is a great way to save and meet people, providing both financial and social benefits. Always clarify what's included in your rent. Some places are bare, others fully furnished, and this can significantly impact your overall costs. Research different areas and housing types to find the best fit for your lifestyle and budget, as each neighborhood offers unique advantages. Where you live makes a huge difference in your monthly costs, so choose wisely to balance comfort and affordability. Food in the Philippines is both a joy and a central part of daily life, bringing people together for celebrations, family gatherings, and simple moments alike. It's also a bargain, especially if you eat like a local and embrace the flavors found in humble eateries and bustling street corners. Shopping at wet markets for fresh produce, seafood, and local staples can keep your weekly grocery bill as low as £20, £30, making it easy to eat fresh and healthy on a budget. Local eateries, known as carinderias, serve up hearty home-cooked meals for under £3, offering a taste of authentic Filipino cuisine without the high price tag. If you're craving a more upscale experience, mid-range restaurants typically cost around £7, £12 per person, still quite reasonable compared to many Western countries. Western food, however, comes at a premium. Expect to pay £10, £20 or more for familiar dishes like burgers, pizza, or pasta, especially in trendy city spots. Imported groceries can double or even triple your bill, so focusing on local ingredients is the smartest way to stretch your peso and discover new flavors. Dining out is generally affordable, but if you make daily visits to international fast food chains, those costs will add up surprisingly fast. Learning to cook Filipino dishes at home is not only a great way to save money, but also a fun way to immerse yourself in the country's rich culinary culture and traditions. By balancing local and imported options, you can tailor your meals to suit both your taste and your budget, enjoying the best of both worlds. In the Philippines, eating well doesn't have to break the bank. Delicious, affordable food is always within reach, no matter your style or preference. Getting around the Philippines is affordable and full of options. Jeepneys and tricycles are the cheapest ways to travel. Most rides cost under £1. In cities, ride-sharing apps like Grab offer convenience, with a typical 30-minute ride costing £3, £5. Buses and UV Express vans are also budget-friendly for longer city routes. For inter-island travel, budget flights can be as low as £20, £40 if booked early. Ferries are a slower, scenic, and often cheaper alternative. Many expats buy or rent scooters for ultimate flexibility, especially in smaller towns. A second-hand scooter is affordable and running costs are low. Always use a helmet and proper license for safety. Your transport costs can be minimal if you embrace local options. Utilities are a key part of your monthly budget. Electricity is the biggest expense, especially if you use air conditioning. Expect £30, £60 per month for moderate use. Water bills are low, usually £5, £10 per month for 1 or 2 people. Internet has improved with decent fiber plans available for £25, £40 per month. Prepaid mobile SIMs are cheap, often under £10 a month for plenty of data. Most rentals don't include utilities, so factor these into your budget. Use electric fans to save on electricity. Urban areas have better internet, but check coverage before you commit. Staying connected and comfortable is affordable with smart choices. The Philippines offers a vibrant lifestyle without a hefty price tag. Day trips to beaches or waterfalls cost little more than transport and a small entrance fee. Island hopping tours, often with lunch included, range from £15, £30 per person. City entertainment is affordable. A movie ticket is about £3, £4, and a local beer is just £1. Nightlife is lively, but upscale bars and imported drinks will cost more. Embrace local festivals and outdoor activities for free or low-cost fun. Skip expensive gyms. Join locals jogging in parks or hiking. Mix paid and free activities to enjoy a rich social life on any budget. Living well here is all about making the most of what's around you. So what's the real cost of living in the Philippines? It all depends on your choices. Live simply, eat local, use public transport, and you can thrive on £800, £1,200 per month in smaller cities. In Manila, expect to spend £1,200, £1,700 for a similar lifestyle in a central location. Accommodation is your biggest expense, followed by food and utilities. Plan your budget around your needs and priorities before you move. The Philippines rewards those who come prepared and open-minded. With smart planning, you can enjoy a life filled with beauty, adventure, and community. Make your move a dream come true by knowing what to expect and budgeting wisely.